I always struggle to find the pallet truck, so now I've added a standard location and I've put a label on there so where it lives and what it is. So yeah, you should always go back there once you finish using it. And Patrick, cleaning behind the Carbo cut machine, vacuuming, keeping it premium. Great job Stuart, eliminating some excess motion with a bracket for your drill and rivet gun. And before and after from Mark. Looks good, great job. And Chris with a standard kit for forklift cleaning. Alex setting a standard on his bin for paper only. And Josh drawing a Kanban holder. Great job everyone. Slavik with a bracket for a knife on laser 5 and also fixing a dangerous plug. Safety is number one, great job. Someone left the bathroom yesterday not following the stand. Remember, we're number one premium, leave everything better than we found it, so just be focused at all times.